In the present case, the court finds that there were some critical lacunae in the Swiss authorities' process of putting in place the relevant domestic regulatory framework. This included a failure to quantify, through a carbon budget or otherwise, national greenhouse gas emissions limitations. Furthermore, as recognised by the relevant authorities, the respondent state had previously failed to meet its past greenhouse gas emission reduction targets. By failing to act in good time and in an appropriate and consistent manner regarding the devising, development and implementation of the relevant legislative and administrative framework, the court holds that the respondent state exceeded its margin of appreciation and failed to comply with its positive obligations under Article 8 of the Convention.
Donc nous pouvons être très fiers, nous, les aînés pour le climat, d'avoir amené pour la première fois à la Cour le climat et les droits fondamentaux. Et la Cour nous a reconnu nos droits fondamentaux à un climat sain et à ce que notre pays fasse ce qu'il n'a pas fait jusque-là, c'est-à-dire prenne des mesures ambitieuses pour protéger notre santé et protéger évidemment l'avenir de tous et de toutes.
We didn't break the wall, we made a huge crack. I want to see the win against Switzerland being used against all European countries and in national courts. All governments in Europe must act on this ruling immediately. And now we need people all around Europe to come together to make sure their countries do this.
These rulings are a call to action. They underscore the importance of taking our national governments to court, and also the fact that climate action is not only something that we must morally do, but it is also something we must do legally. European states are legally required to take climate action in order to protect its citizens, to not violate human rights. To not act on the climate is not only morally undefensible but also illegal. This is just one step in the direction towards climate justice. We have a very long way to go. We must make sure that first that this is being upheld, and then that we actually achieve climate justice, that the emissions reduce, and that we have a fair transition.